Right, good morning. Not done a video for a while on the van and stuff. Right, simple little thing. Some of you might be interested. As most of you know, I do a lot of wildlife photography, and I also do metal detecting now and again. Now, this is the back of my van, and I picked up these things. They're actually for hanging gardening tools up, but it occurred to me the other day that when I close my van up, the back doors, I have quite a gap, maybe 8 inches or so between there and there. So I thought, by putting these hangers up, that they don't look great, but the doors sort of not open anyway when I get to where I'm going. It's, you know, they pretty much stay shut. I'll put them up. I could this is my metal detector, and I thought that, there we go, sits there nicely, just by the fact of having them hooks. Keeps it out of my way, it's not banging around the van as I'm driving along. There we go. Loads of room, doesn't touch. Plenty of room there. Just handy little thing. So, and if I'm not out with the metal detector, and this is my tripod I use with the gimbal head on. Slot that up there. There you go. Same again. That's my tripod with the gimbal head. And same again. Plenty of room. Keeps it out of the way, stops it sliding up and down the van, and job's a good one, really. Yeah, so it just goes to show, no matter, you know, how you do your van, there's probably these little nooks and crannies that we're not really using to the you know, to the best abilities. So it's worth having a look round your vans, and you know, if there's, you know, 4 or 5 inches in a space, and what you can do with that, and what have you got that's annoying you, and maybe you could fit there or just store there and stuff. And you know, that was all wasted room before for the sake of a couple of clips. I could probably have got some nicer looking clips, and I probably will, but like, they were, I don't know, a couple of pounds from a hardware shop, and I think I've got about 4 of them, something like that. But say up until then, that was pretty much wasted space. I mean, this is the back end of the seat and the box. Oh, this incidentally, this is thermal coverings for the windows for the interior. I think they on eBay they're around, well, anywhere from 50 to 100 plus. Bought them from a boot sale, £20. So, bargain. Covers the front window and the side windows, and yeah, job's a good one. Funnily enough, the same day I bought them from a boot sale, I went to a different boot sale on the same day, and there was another set for the same price. I almost bought them just to put on eBay and sell, but there you go. Anyway, there you go, just a little bit of an update. So there you go, wasted space now used, so I can either put my tripod up, which I use more than anything, and there we go, and on the rare occasion these days, as the weather's not great, I'll go out with the metal detector. The metal detector can sit there, you know, and failing that, although it doesn't fit as good as these, the old complete pain in the butt. The windbreak, there you go. It's not pretty, but it's out of the way. It's not going to fall out when I open the back door, and does the job. Okay, anyway, that was just a little bit of an update. The van's doing great, and right, I'll catch you next time. If you like the video, just give us a thumbs up, maybe consider subscribing, and we'll see if we can get some more videos banged out. Till next time, catch you later.